everyone, welcome to my PHP. Today we will introduce two component MDUpgrade in the latest version. Component MDUpgrade is component we install to exchange performance of Joomla by helping to upgrade the Joomla to be a new version. And the latest version of MDUpgrade is version 1.0.16. To be exact, we use MDUpgrade to upgrade Joomla 2.5 to Joomla 4 beta now. Okay, now let's see how to upgrade to Joomla 4 beta. Okay, if you enter to admin page, you can see like this. And if you want to upgrade, you can click upgrade. So you can see the version is Joomla 4 beta. Okay, let's start upgrade. Click to start upgrade. Okay, and this is the upgrade process. You have to wait this process for a while. Okay, when finished, you can see Joomla 4 beta like this. For today, we will finish this video. Thanks for watching our video.